Okay, hi everyone. My name is Alexey Vasilyev. I will review the first Angular intro task, and this team will be recorded. So if anyone against it, I advise you to leave. So anyone can hear me?
Yes.
Okay, good. Let me share. Can you see my screen?
Yes.
Okay, now your reference on your side. Okay, we will go through the all points on the assignment task for this week. The first one, the generate the app, which is basically you need to use ng-new and provide the name of your application, and it will generate your boilerplate application. So as you can see here, it's already generated. Not much to add to it here. Okay, let's move to the next one. Okay, the second one was add base project. Sorry, I'm a little bit nervous. Add base project structure for components and models and configure ESLint. So let's take a look. Is ESLint configured already? Okay. Yes, as you can see, it's added here, extends. And as we can see, the student added additional rules. As I can see, he turned off many of rules from Airbnb. That's actually bad. You need to fix them, not to turn off. Okay. If we look at the package JSON, you can see that it was installed. Here it is. And let's test. Okay. I forgot. Yes, as you can see, all those tests was passed, but this mainly to the student turned off almost all of them. As you give me 1 second, I will find ESLint console. Okay, no console. If you see the 0, it means that this rule is turned off. And if we turn it on back and start again, then we should see error. Yes, and the error is in boilerplate. We'll can just delete this. We don't need. And let's. Sorry. Yes. So basically, you don't need to turn off all your Airbnb styles rules. You just need to fix them and find a way to fix them with like no empty function. It's no useless constructor. It means that there's some constructors. Maybe no search component. No, like geoninit empty. This is a rule. No empty lifecycle methods. If we delete this, then we'll find a bunch of other errors. Again, it's not the big case to turn them off. Okay. The next one is all the necessary components were created. This need to look at the Figma, and as you can see, we can split this Figma into the several pieces. I should say that this is a main, like this is a big one is a main. This is will be your response list where the all data will come. And inside, you can generate with the NG4 lists of cards. Okay, this will be a login. This will be search settings, like sortings. If I recall correctly, there will be like when you press the button, they will show or they closed. And this is a simple logo, and this is a search input. This is a search input with the search button. Okay, let's take a look at the components. So you see a header with the login, with the logo, and then search and the settings. Okay. Then we have filters with the sort. Yes. And the search results, it's must be something like this. This one area where you will show the cards. Okay, sorry. Here's the search item. Okay, let's start. Let's work. No, npm start. As you can see, components will be provided in here, in the ng model, in app model. Later on, in next lesson, you will, should say, use additional models inside of each component structure. Like you will have search result model where you will provide search item components and so on. Okay, let's take. Yes, as you can see, everything works. Okay, now let's take a look at the models. Okay, seems searched is here now. Did you put search item, search results? Okay, as you can see here, we set the interface for the response. We split it into the two groups, two interfaces. One, the search result and the page info, and we segregated the interface into several interfaces. That's a best practice, actually. So, item components, declaration of necessary field. Okay, let's take a look at declaration of the necessary fields. Inside of search items, there is actually no field. We can specify it like public search item equals, for now it will be null. If we set to private, then it won't be accessible by the template. And if we say public, it's vice versa. Okay, I think that's it for the first time. Do you have any question?
Hello. There is, I see, logo presented like separate component, but it's just simple image, or we have to do it's like a separate component logo, or
What do you mean, Figma?
logo in
Logo?
code I see logo is a separate component generated separate component.
No, it's not necessary to separate the logo.
I can use
It's
that
actually,
image.
yes, you can use
image. Okay.
image, yes. Any other question? Okay, if there's no other questions, thank you for joining. See you later. Bye.
Thank you.
Thank you.